Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the incredible Saker handheld vacuum cleaner, a 3-in-1 powerhouse that's perfect for all your cleaning needs. This versatile device is not just a vacuum cleaner for your home, car, and pet hair, but also doubles as an air pump for inflating life rings and a vacuum pump for storage bags. Equipped with a brushless motor and high-quality HEPA filters, including a durable fine steel filter, this vacuum ensures smooth operation and longevity. With an impressive suction power of 12,000 PA, it effortlessly tackles pet hair, dust, and dirt, reaching every nook and cranny. Its wireless design and lightweight build make it incredibly portable, ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're cleaning snack crumbs in your car, pet hair at home, or inflating a swimming ring on the go, the Saker 3-in-1 vacuum has got you covered. Experience the convenience of having multiple tools in one compact device, making it the ultimate choice for versatile cleaning solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.